Call something off.
Vậy thì bỏ đi, không làm theo kế hoạch nữa.
Call something off.
Vậy thì bỏ đi, không làm theo kế hoạch nữa.
Okay, she called off your wedding and dumped you to be a painter in San Francisco. What do you call that?
Give me something I can use to make them call off their wedding.
Oh, yeah, did I not tell you? They called off their wedding.
What? Thank God!
Just phone the guy, pretend you are your alter ego, and call off the hit. That's genius.
If the city surrenders, they will ring the bells and raise the gates. Please, if you hear them ringing the bells, call off the attack.
I ask you, what do you expect us to do?
Call off the gathering. Would that kill them?
Call it off.
I told you it's too late.
Pick up the phone right now and call it off.
Padma, you cannot call off the wedding. I have already paid a large dowry to the Raja's family.
Maybe after all we've been through, we should just call this thing off.
Figure something out.
Cuối cùng thì cũng hiểu để giải quyết vấn đề khó khăn này thôi.
Figure something out.
Cuối cùng thì cũng hiểu để giải quyết vấn đề khó khăn này thôi.
Very nice man.
Yes, he is. Now let's figure out how to destroy him.
If I could just get a little bit more time, I could figure out how to fix this.
Unfortunately, I cannot give you any more time.
I'm not playing word games with you. The dead are coming for us all. Why don't you figure out what to do about my missing fleet and murdered allies? And I'll figure out what to do about your walking dead men. It's hard for me to fathom, it really is.
Look, give yourself a little time. You'll figure out how to be happy, I promise.
How did she figure out my password?
We're going to figure out how to undo this. We'll find a way to make this right, Mom.
So what are you gonna do? I'm gonna figure out how to fix it. Then I'll tell them. So what do you need us for?
He can't figure out how to fix it.
Turn something down.
Từ chối, không chấp nhận nha.
Turn something down.
Từ chối, không chấp nhận nha.
Is everything okay?
I got the job.
Oh, Benji! I just knew you could do it.
I turned it down.
What is the matter with you?
Richard, oh my God, I didn't turn down $10 million because of Peter Gregory, Monica. I turned it down because of you.
We're gonna be the last virgins on the planet. Well, what are we supposed to do? Every girl turned us down.
I wanted to be on your side, remember? You turned me down.
Axelrod offered me a job.
This is at the pizzeria in Yonkers. Yes?
That's right. I turned it down.
Did you?
I offered Ron a job last month and he turned me down.
I turned down that accounting job. Just didn't feel right. That's okay, right?
Yeah, I think that's great.
Put something off.
Trì hoãn lại đi nha.
Put something off.
Trì hoãn lại đi nha.
Baby, we should put off moving.
Why?
Because I think the pregnancy is affecting your judgment.
No.
I cannot put off graduation. I have been in school for 6 years while working, and this is my last requirement.
Okay, now I'm nervous.
Maybe you should put it off.
No, I don't want to put it off.
Bender, you two-timing jerk! I put off my singing career for you! If I can't have you, no one can!
Listen, maybe we shouldn't start writing today. I got a lot on my mind.
No, we put this off long enough. Today's the day.
This is the hardest thing I've ever had to do.
Why did you put it off until Halloween?
Hey, if you're not into this, we can do it another time.
No, I want to. Look, we put this off long enough. Let's do it.
Oh.